Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Millie. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really excited because this is my first video of the new year, and it's not gonna be a long one. It's gonna be short, or at least I hope so. It's gonna be all about these Boho Boxbraids, Zoe Kravitz Inspired, Jean Aiko Inspired. I saw them on her, and I also saw them and really got inspired by an influencer that I follow here on YouTube and also on Instagram. Her name is I'm Shine Struck. So yes, I'm gonna be talking about how I did these box braids. If you're interested in seeing how I got them, just keep on watching. Inserting the next clip. So yes, getting into this hair, it is about waist length. I used about 8 packs of braiding hair, synthetic braiding hair from my local beauty supply store. And with those 8 packs of hair, I started working in sections. So I divided my hair into 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what made it easy for me, and I did this the last time around when I braided my hair, what made it easy for me was working in sections. So 8 packs of braiding hair, synthetic braiding hair. I worked in 4 sections, and I use these 2 products that are gonna be my go-to whenever I do this style again, which I don't know if I'm gonna do it again because it took so long. And I would much rather pay someone to do this hairstyle on me just because it's convenient, and who wants to like sit here braiding my did I mention that it took me 17 hours? I started on Tuesday and I finished the next day. It took me 17 hours, and the reason why it took me so long is because I needed to take breaks. And this time, as opposed to the last time that I did box braids on myself, I was very precise about like my parting and the size of the box. And this time around, I did them a little bit thinner than the last time, only because I really wanted that like Zoe Kravitz boho box braid style. I was inspired by that. So yes, and now speaking about my ends, I got them to be so wavy and crimp looking. Was I mentioned before that I worked in sections. So after each section was done, I braided the very ends, just the ends of the hair before going to seal. And how you seal the box braids is you boil water and you dip just the very ends of your hair. So before going to seal my hair, I braided each section, so 4 sections of my hair, braided the very end, and then I dipped the braided end in hot water. I dried off the ends with a cotton t-shirt, or you can use a towel if you want. Waited a few minutes, and then I unraveled the ends, and that's how I got it to look like this. So yeah, I'm really loving this hairstyle, y'all. So my 2 products that I decided to use this time around were the Let's Jam Condition Shine Extra Hold by Dark and Lovely, and also this Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Flexible Styling Snot, which is sulfate-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum, alcohol, and flake-free. So I used these 2 products when I went in with the box braids. So the jam I use more towards the root because I have the bang going on, and then back in, I think in August, I have a video on me chopping like half of my hair off. So it's like kind of in layers, like the way it's growing out, it's in layers. So the ends are pretty blunt. So I will say the Flexible Styling Snot did a really good job at laying down. Although I will say, let me see, there's like, I think it's my bang that you'll see a little bit of it, but I don't mind. It is what it is. You see how it's like coming out. But throughout the rest of my hair, my head, the flexible styling snot did a really good job at like laying down my blunt ends to blend in with the braids. So yeah, those are my two products. I mentioned that I use the 8 packs of braiding hair. I worked in sections and it took me 17 hours, just to give you a little conclusion of how I did these box braids. And because it took me so long, I have every intention to like make this style last as long as I can. And I'm really enjoying it because I don't have to do much to my hair. I literally just like sleep in my satin bonnet. Oh, let me show you the satin bonnet that I have that I sleep in. Hold on. So I sleep in this satin bonnet. It's so big. It's like it looks like a parachute. So let me just show you what I do to sleep. I basically use this extra large satin bonnet. I'm about to look crazy, but that's how I sleep. This is how I sleep and how I preserve my box braids. And yeah, this is what I sleep in. Okay, you guys, that is a wrap for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it inspired you. And if it did, if you're feeling this video or you like these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you actually care, you're actually feeling the video. If not, I won't know. So I won't know what kind of videos to post for you guys. But yeah, that is a wrap. And I will see you in my next video. Until next time, peace.